Okay, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a long-term review on the ADJ Aggressor Tri-LED laser light. Well, this says it came out in 2008. I think we bought it maybe 2016 or something like that. And then the smoke machine is LED 500, which came out around 2017. So I know we've had it for almost 10 years. And then it comes with the, we bought separately, I believe, this remote for the smoke machine. It's like a little key fob, old school cell phone. It looks like basically a little remote for a car. But it's got the little slide thing. This is for the smoke machine to operate it. And it's called the RF wireless remote 433 MHz. So after having this thing for 10 years, and you just see, this thing still works phenomenal. You know, it's really good. For a small house or outside party, you'd have to have the smoke machine blowing all the time. But even for a larger space, I think it works pretty good. The laser lights, I got it set pretty low right now, but that's a tripod too that we bought separately. But you can raise it up pretty high, and it covers a wide vast of area. So it's pretty great. I mean, to get you in the mood, you know, feeling like you're at the club, have your own home nightclub. It's pretty cool. So let me turn it up a little bit more so you can hear it. Let me see. So you can see it. And I'll turn on the smoke. Here's the remote. Okay, turn it off. You just turn it off. Turn it right off one more time. Okay, so get back to it. Turn it down a little bit. And the speaker that I'm using is a JBL Boombox 1. I have two of them, both Boombox 1 and Boombox 2. It sounds pretty amazing. I'm going to do another video on that. I got 5 JBL speakers and the JBL EarPod. So I'll do a separate video on that. But I want to change the music. Let's see what the next song's about.
You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip one crate. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip one, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Let's try one more song before I end this video so you can see. Ooh, what's this fire one? Let's see. What does it say? Fire? 5. Okay. Need my reading glasses. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Let's get some nice beat to it. Turn it up. Try one more, guys. Or 2 more. No, stop. This is EDM YouTube Studios. Trance music right there. This one's Sugar. There we go. Okay, so that's gonna basically be it. We said we've had these for almost 10 years. They work great. We've had them outside, not in the rain or anything like that. And we always put them up when we're done and keep them stored correctly. So I should say that correctly. But it really does. I mean, it's not, not a professional discotheque or anything like that. It's just something to hype up the party a little bit. We thought about upgrading. There's some other ones out there. Smoke machine is perfect. I mean, you need nothing else. It fills up a room real quick. Just laser light. So there's some different ones out there. Like I said, this one's just about 10 years old. Well, we bought it 10 years ago. So, and it works great. So I really recommend it. This has been a 10-year review on products. Do they still work and hold them up if you take care of them properly? But anyways, we'll catch you on the next one. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and all that good stuff. Y'all have a great day. Bye.